back, guys, to the channel. I know it's been a minute, but I'm here again. Today we're gonna be checking on that. Fly away, blue paper. Fly away, be free. I'll miss you. Paper towel, blue paper towel. Fly away. Alright, let's see if we can do this one more time. Welcome back, guys, to the channel. It's been a minute now. This guy just flew away. I got it again. So this is what we're gonna need basically to fix that sunroof right there. And also we have our handy WD-40 that we're gonna be spraying on the rails. I got this info from Facebook TC Club. Someone was saying that he spread that and it fixed the problem, but that's a myth right now. We're gonna find out if it's real or not, so stay tuned. Alright, I'm about to show you how to do it. It's a little windy today, if you guys can hear that, but we're gonna get it done anyways. It looks like we're having a sunroof issue. Let's see if we open it all the way in. Try to close it, and it stays halfway, and then open itself back up again. All right, I'll show you guys how to fix it in just a minute. So first of all, we're gonna spray some of this in the rails. We're gonna spread it, not a lot, but just a little bit, just enough on the whole rail. And we're gonna be catching it with the paper towel in case if it drips anywhere. So basically that's what we're gonna be doing right now. Yes, I'm sticking out my head through the sunroof. So yep, stay tuned. Let's do that now. Okay, now we're gonna do the other side, same thing, just spray it. You spray it everything, like from here to here. I spread on the top of that too a little bit. We'll see what happens. Now let's see what's gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and close it. It's all the way open, as you can see from outside. Oops. It's all the way open. It's fully open. Okay, I was showing you guys before. Now let's press the close button, which is this one here, and this is close. And let's give it a try. I kicked that freaking can again. Oh my god. Whoa, it closed completely. Guys, I just fixed my freaking sunroof. It's been doing this for a little while. Oh my gosh, let's open it again. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. It was open. Fully open. Wide open, extremely open. I'll show you from outside. Extremely open, see? Super open. Okay, so now let's go ahead and push the close button. It's closing. Okay, it stops right there. And if I keep pushing it, it closed completely. Guys, it's fixed. It's fixed, guys. I just fixed it. The myth, it's not a myth. It's fixed. It works. It can open and close. Before, what I used to do is, I used to like open it, you know, all the way like that. Yeah. Goes all the way open, right? And then, when I was trying to close it, it will go all the way there. And then I will have to put my hand in here and keep pushing the close button and force it to close with my hand. That was a little bit embarrassing, you know, especially if you're in a car meet, you know, and trying to close your thing, because I don't know, for some reason you need to close it and you need to use your hand to push it. That's a little bit embarrassing. But now it's right there, right? Now I'm gonna push it and it goes. It just goes and it closes. And now I'm just gonna leave it like that. But guys, it's fixed. So the guy that it was saying that on the Scion page in Facebook, he was right. I got a lot of content in my head that I want to put in, but I need some love from you guys, from my followers, from everybody that is watching this video. Share it, like it, subscribe, and all that. You know, let's get the channel growing, because that's gonna help a lot too. So, anyways, roof is fixed. It's fixed. Fix it. You guys like that? Blue light. Yeah. Like that. Orange. I kinda going with the orange, you know. Looks sick. But anyways, we got the roof fixed and the water is crappy. Alright. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, stay safe, and don't give up, man. Just keep on going. You're almost there, I promise you. See you in the next one, guys.